In this video, we will show main functional features of the configuration application of our Intrafab solution. Configuration application allow to define mapping from input data file to output data file. Such mapping configuration will be used to customize a client application which will actually perform runtime mapping on the user side. When configuration wizard starts, the first screen is shown where repository data is displayed. All data fields, their types, mandatory regulation are displayed, as well as configuration settings are displayed in the fields. The first step of configuration includes selection of the file, of the input file. When the file is parsed into columns, we can proceed to the next stage. We can set one-to-one mapping between input and output fields. In the table below, we can also see type checking and initial input data for validation. In the fifth step, we can assign algorithmic mapping of output fields based on some algorithm. We can use arbitrary JavaScript expressions, simple constants, and also we can use predefined plugins which are submitted by integrators. For example, now we use a pre-built Python plugin to concatenate different strings. Quite complex expressions in JavaScript allow us to define complex runtime expressions like current date of transformation. We can type the text of the script in the window. The text can contain multiple statements of JavaScript. And then we apply the string and see the results of transformation. The next step is used to define manually entered fields during runtime transformation. We use several dependencies between key values of the output file, which are called scopes, and we can assign output fields to different scopes. It means, for example, that patient age will be entered once for certain patient, and other fields will be entered for each record of the output file. The final step is submission of our configuration to the remote portal where the predetermined client will be built. In the result, we obtain unique URL which can be used to download the customized client, which will provide us real-time transformations.